want Git setup on Windows 11, we have to go to this website gitscm.com. This is the only official website of Git. Click here to download the latest 64-bit for your Windows. If you have 64-bit, obviously you will have 64-bit. Now we'll go here. Downloads. Got this. Click yes. Next. Install in C. Good. We don't want this. Make sure you check in this script file at least. Yeah. Then now use any director. So I have Notepad++ installed. I'll use Notepad++. Next. Let okay. Okay. So we can override it or else let's decide it anyhow. Recommended use bundled OpenSH. Always keep it default. We are using in Windows, so keep it Windows style. MinTTY is important and we'll use it. Default. Okay. Okay. New things. Install. So it's installing. I'll give a demo what to do after that. So yeah, there's one. I'll give a screenshot in process also. We have here setup. This is good. That is. I did get installed. That's it. I don't know you. Search Git, and I have Git GUI and Git Bash. Everything installed here. So go to your terminal. Terminal means Windows command prompt, and you can search whatever you want. For example, you can search Git version. Oh my god. So this is not updated yet. CMD. Git version. Okay, now it's coming. That terminal was open long back, so it's not updated. So now we have installed Git version. I had to clone something. I'll just clone it. So to clone, you just open your terminal. Then you can write git clone and whatever the file you wanted to clone. It's working. It's asking credentials. So that's all. You can clone whatever you want. Thanks.